Good morning and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Feng from Comro, Beijing, China. Welcome to join here to discuss the marine scientific research and promote our knowledge in mid-ocean ridge. Today, I'm going to give a brief introduction to Comoros' progress in the mid-ocean ridge studies. My presentation today includes three parts. Firstly, I would like to introduce the deep seabed area policy in China. Since 2012, Chinese environmental protection came to a new era. To improve the quality of the environment and strengthen construction of eco-civilization, Chinese government has established multiple levels environmental protection system, including central inspection group, supervision group, and also strengthened the responsibility of local governments. This led to the remarkable results. For example, this picture shows the mandatory ecological restoration of a mine on land. All those efforts were made to build a resource conserving and environment friendly society. So in accordance with the general environment policy, the law of the People's Republic of China on exploration for and exploitation of resources in the deep seabed area also formulated the environment protection requirements for the contractor. According to the law, the contracts have obligation to protect the deep sea environment and conduct scientific research. As China's earliest and the largest contractor, Comro keeps implementing the law of the deep sea area. So let's go through Comro's progress on the study of mid-ocean ridge. Comro development history can be divided into three stages. The first stage could be defined as from 1980s to 1991, based on the initial exploration in the deep sea bed. Commerce was set up in 1991. Then the second ridge ran from 1991 until 2000. To better understand the deep sea bed, Comro started to conduct scientific research and to develop the technology. Based on this, Comro started applying contracts, meant the entrance of the third stage. Till now, Comro has signed three exploration contracts with ISA, including three types of resources distributed in CC zone, in Northwest Pacific and in Southwest Indian Ocean. To conduct a more efficient and accurate survey, Commer has developed a series of underwater vehicles, including Jiulong HOV, Qianlong AUVs, and Sea Dragon ROVs. Commer also owns three investigation research vessels, 大洋号, 大洋一号, and Shanghai 一号. Their displacements are all around 4,000 to 6,000 tons. With the development of those equipment, Commerce started exploration in Southwest Indian Ocean and applied signed contract with ISA in 2011. Till 2019, Commerce has finished 50% area relinquishment and identified 18 thermal vent anomaly areas and mineralized eight mineralized area. Meanwhile, in the Indian Ocean, Comoros supported multiple expeditions and accumulated knowledge in Indian Ocean vent fauna. Six uh, hydrothermal vents associated with the typical vent fauna in the Indian Ocean have been found. This helps us to know more about two important ridge systems, Southwest Indian Ridge and Carlsberg Ridge. In Carlsberg Ridge, Conroe has conducted 10 cruises. Some thermal vents uh, have been discovered. In Southwest Indian Ocean Ridge, after the contract was signed in 2011, Conroe organized 10 cruises for the environment baseline study, baseline survey, and, and dived in the typical active thermal field. Following the discovery, Comer funded a research project to clarify the biological community composition. The comprehensive research on taxonomy and biodiversity has been conducted. One new genus and 15 new species have been reported. The remaining work is still going on, and we hope that we can provide more interesting discovery in the future. Based on the biodiversity data, explored the biogen, biogeographic context of the Indian Ocean vents. Two sub-bioregions were proposed based on analysis corresponding to the Southwest Indian Ridge and the Central Indian Ridge, respectively. And also, our experts team provides first evidence of the temporal variation of vent fauna on the ultra-slow Indian Ridge. This has laid a solid foundation to understand the biodiversity and natural variation of biological baseline. The degree of conductivity of respective representative species between Southwest Indian Ocean, Indian Ridge, and Central Indian Ridge was estimated. This provides a basic background of the gene flow and fauna exchange between the regions. As we know, the scaly-foot gastropod is a starfish in the Indian Ocean, and it represents the first deep sea species listed in the IUCN Red List in 2017. And this drawn lots of attention on its protection. Our experts has conducted studies on the whole genome and analysis on the environment background information. And the three more populations have been found since it's placed in the red list. This will help to clarify its real distribution range. All this information will be contributed to the design of a strategy of its protection. So besides, Camera also conducted two cruises in the South Atlantic Ocean. The geological settings were analyzed, and we also found the potential activities of some event in the region. With the increasing knowledge of Middle Ocean ridge, we recognized the importance of a Middle Ocean ridge and put efforts in promoting the international cooperation on the research level. So we raised um the proposals for ecosystem protection on the side event during 2017 ISA session to promote the scientific research of mid-ocean ridge. Comer funded the projects which focus on the ecosystem protection research. Our expert team of the project puts lots of efforts and finished its background document. And we are very pleased to share with all of you. Hope this document can promote the efficiency and help the participants to know what we have known, what we need to know, and where we should go. So our experts know we are experiencing the stage of exploration to exploitation stage. The conflict between environment protection and exploitation is obvious. The scientific knowledge becomes the best way to solve the problem. Comera also proposed several new concepts for future exploitation. The priority um, of ecological and environmental protection should be noticed, and the collaboration and sharing knowledge is indeed necessary. So Comera endeavors to the capacity building, cooperation, and collaboration. Comera has engaged in the four aspects of capacity building, namely data submission and sharing, training programs, international degree education, and joint training center. Since 2011, when the PMS contract was signed between ISA and Comera, Comera has conducted 9 cruises and gained lots of investigation data. According to the regulations and ISA requirements, Comera has submitted the geological and environment data to the deep data database. This will provide the basis of the scientific research and promote the environment management. So you can see these are the data we have submitted to ISA. Comera has organized a training program for the developing countries according to our contracts. 47 training opportunities have been offered by Comera, and 18 of them are for the Middle Ocean ridge research. I would like to mention the field training on a DY52 cruise. The trainees from Chile, Argentina, and so on participated in this cruise. The training course included geology, biology, environment, and so on. Besides, Comera funded the joint training PhD program with Zhejiang University of China for the developing countries. The graduated students have been doing their marine research, scientific research work since they went back to their home country. To promote the long-term regulated training program and promote marine scientific research. The Joint Training and Research Center has been founded and officially launched by ISA and the Chinese government last month. This will provide a platform for the training and research for developing countries, especially for the least developed countries. And COMRA will keep our efforts to support the capacity building in the deep sea area. The above work was accomplished through the cooperation with the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, First Institute, Second Institute of Oceanography, and also our experts team. So thanks for their contribution. United Nations has declared the UN Decade for Ocean Science for Sustainable Development, and the ISA has also developed the action plan to support it. So for the common objective, we hope in the future there will be more extensive and transparent cooperation to promote and to encourage the conduct of marine scientific research in the international seabed area. So I thank you all.